Good morning, children. Let us resume exercise 9.1. Question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Let us draw angle of elevation of the top of a building. Building is this one, clear? This is building and this is the tower. The tower is higher than the building, clear? The angle of elevation of the top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of building from the foot of the tower. From this is the tower and this is building. Angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower is 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the building of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, children? And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building, that is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Okay, children? Then that is angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, clear, then what we have to do, find the height of the building. This height of the building we have to find out. That is the question mark. Okay, children, let us see. Now let us give the name. Let it be A, B, C and D. Okay, children, what is given over here? Let us introduce all the things. Let BC equal to 50 meter, B the tower, and ADB the building, and angle BAC equal to 60 degree. Angle ABD equal to 30 degree. Clear? What we have to find? We have to find the height of the building. Height of the building. Height of the building equal to what? That is AD. AD equal to question mark has to be found. Clear? Now in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, this angle is 90 degree. Clear? That is angle ABC, that is angle, in triangle ABC, that is angle ABC equal to 90 degree, right? Then what, in triangle ABC, this 60 degree is acute angle. This implies that tan 60 degree equal to what? That is perpendicular upon base, that is BC upon AB, right, children? This implies that tan 60 degree equal to root 3 equal to BC is given to be 50 meter upon AB. Here you can write, since tan 60 degree equal to what? Root 3. Okay, children? This implies that what? AB root 3 AB equal to 50. This implies that AB equal to 50 upon root 3. That is equation number 1. Again in triangle ABD, ABD. Clear? Here this is again 90 degrees, means right angle triangle. Triangle BAD, that is what? Triangle angle BAD, angle BAD equal to 90 degree. This implies that, that is what? This implies that tan 30 degree, this is acute angle in this triangle, in triangle ABD. Look at here, in triangle ABD, this is acute angle, so tan 30 degree equal to tan 30 degree equal to what? Tan 30 degree equal to AD upon, that is perpendicular upon base, AD upon AB. Right, children? This implies that tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3 equal to AD upon AB. This is AB, that is AB. Here you can write down. Here you can write since tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3. Okay, children? This implies that, clear? What? This is AB equal to root 3 AD. AB equal to root 3 AD. Okay, children? Write down equation number 2. Here 1 upon root 3 equal to AD upon AB. That is, here then by cross multiplication, this is AB equal to root 3 AD. Now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Here you see AB equal to 50 upon root 3 and AB equal to root 3 upon AD. This implies that what? This implies that what? 50 upon root 3, both the right hand side will be equal. 50 upon root 3 equal to root 3 AD. Okay, children? That is what will be there. This is now 50 upon root 3, AB equal to 50 upon root 3 here. Clear? And here this is AB equal to root 3 AD. Okay. What we have seen here, 50 upon root 3. 50 upon root 3 equal to root 3 AD. Look, this implies that AD equal to, look at here, children, 50 upon root 3 into root 3. This root 3 is taken. This implies that AD equal to 50 upon root 3 into root 3 equal to, that is 3. This implies that 50 divided by 3, that is, now 50 divided by 3 means you can divide 50 by 3. That is 3 1 ja 3 and 2 is remainder. That is, now this 0 is carried down, then 3 6 ja 18. That is 18 and 2, that is equal to what? That is equal to 16. That is quotient and remainder upon divisor, 16 and 2 upon 3. This is meter. This implies that what? AD equal to 16 and 2 upon 3 meter. What is this AD? Means height of the building is. This implies that height of the building equal to 16 and 2 upon 3 meter. This is answer, children. Okay, children? Okay. Note down, children. Let us see the next question. What does it state, children? That is, what is next question? Let us see. That is question number 10. Let us see question number 10. Question number 10 says 2 poles of equal heights are there. Look at here. 2 poles are there. Here 2 poles of equal heights. 2 poles of equal heights are there. Whenever we speak pole, it means they are perpendicular. Okay. 2 poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road. One road is there. Road on the either side, either means both. Clear? Here there is a road. What is this? This is the road. This is the road, and on the either side of the road, the 2 poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. This road is 80 meter wide. Okay, from a point between them on the road, from a point between them on, let us take a point, from a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. From the see children, try to understand, from a point between them on the road, clear, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. Since this is nearer, so this angle will be what? This angle will be which one? 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree, clear, and this is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Okay children, responding, find the height of the poles. These are pole, this is also pole, clear. Find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. Means this we have to find out, this and this distance from here to here, clear, this one, and from here to here, this is not 180, clear, from here to here, this distance we have to find out. Okay, this is only 80 meter, total is 80 meter, from here to here, that is, this total is how much? This is 80 meter, am I right? This total is 80 meter, means distance. Okay, this is 80 meter. This we have to find out, this and from here to this, both the distances we have to find out. Clear? So let us see what is given. What is given? Let first give the name A. Let it be B. This is point B. A, B. Clear? This is C. This is D, and this is E. Okay children, A, B, C and D. Let A, AE equal to CD. CD be two poles and AC equal to 80 meter. B the road. Okay children, and what? And angle ABE and angle ABE, AB equal to 60 degree. Angle DBC, angle DBC equal to 30 degree. To find out, that is what? To find out, let it be, to find what? We have to find out what? AE equal to CD, that is height of the two poles, question mark, and what? AB equal to, let AB equal to this, let us take something, let it be AB equal to, let it be X, and this is let it be, this is Y. Okay children, this is AB equal to X and BC equal to Y. AB equal to what? AB equal to X we have to find out, and BC equal to Y we have to find out. Okay children, now let us start solving. Children, let us move to the next part of the board, that is figure is given over here. Here children, see the figure children. In triangle, let us see the figure. In triangle ABC, this is here 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree. Okay, in triangle. Okay children, in triangle, now in triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, where is ABE? In triangle ABE, angle A equal to 90 degree, angle A equal to 90 degree. This implies that This implies that tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon base, that is tan 60 degree perpendicular upon, that is AE upon AB equal to AE upon AB. Okay children, right? AE upon AB, this implies that tan 60 equal to root 3 equal to AE is AE only, right, upon AB. AB is, we have assumed to be X. Clear? The root 3 equal to AE upon X. Right children, let it be equation number 1. Right? Again in triangle, BCD, in triangle BCD, what is there? Angle C equal to 90 degree. Okay children, this implies that tan 30 degree equal to what? Tan 30 degree equal to CD upon what? CD upon BC. Right? This implies that children, what is this? CD upon BC. Now this root 3 equal to AE upon what? AE upon X. Clear children? Now this tan 60 AE upon X, that is equation number 1. And this in triangle BCD, angle C equal to 9 degree, then tan 30 equal to what is X? X is what? This is 80 minus Y. Here see children, let us see once again here, write one more step over here. Angle 3 equal to AE upon X. This implies that root 3 equal to AE upon what is X? X is nothing but this is 80 minus Y. What is X? This is 80 minus Y. From here you can see children, here this is, what is this? This is X. Clear? And this part is AB equal to X and BC equal to Y, and total is 80. Clear? So this X equal to 80 minus Y. Clear? Total minus Y, that is equal to X. So we have converted X here. See here you can write out, since X equal to 80 minus Y from the figure. Okay children, here you can write down tan 60 degree equal to root 3. Right? That is this implies that this is, let it be equation number 1 now. Clear? This is equation number 1. Again in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, angle C equal to 90 degree. Then what happens? Tan 30 degree equal to what? Again tan 30 equal to, that is CD upon BC. CD upon BC. This will tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3. And children, CD equal to AE. Here we can write down equal to CD. This CD equal to AE, both the poles are equal. CD equal to AE upon BC. BC is given to be, BC we have assumed to be Y. BC is Y, that is BC equal to Y. Here we can write down, since tan 30 degree equal to 1 upon root 3. Clear? And what? CD equal to AE and BC equal to Y. Okay children, now let it be equation number 1. What this is, this implies that you can say equation number 2. Now here AE, clear? This is from 1, you can write from 1. What do we see? AE equal to, children, put the value here from 1 and 2. Actually you can write it, don't take it like this. This is Y equal to what? This is A. This implies that here only AE equal to what? AE equal to y upon root 3. Am I right? AE equal to, what is this? AE equal to y upon root 3. That is this one. Right, children? Let it be question number 2. Right, from 1 and 2. Let us from y upon, this is root 3. Okay, from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what do we see? That is root 3 equal to AE equal to y upon root 3 upon 80 minus y. Okay, children. Now let us see. This implies that what? This is 80 minus 3. This is root 3 equal to, what is this? Root 3 equal to, children? This is root 3 equal to 80 minus y. That is, this is upon 1. That is what? Equal to, this will be here. That is y upon root 3 into 80 minus y. Write down. This implies that what? Root 3 into root 3, that is equal to, that is root 3, that is root 3 into, that is 3 into 80 minus y. Clear? 3 into 80 minus y equal to y. This implies that, what is this? This is 3 at the 24, 240 minus 3y equal to y. This implies that this is 4y equal to 240. This implies that y equal to 240 upon 4. That is what? 240 upon 4. That is what? This is 4 1 ja 4 and 4 6 ja 24 and 4 0 0. This implies that y equal to 60 meter. Y equal to 60 meter. What is y? Did you understand, children? This is 240 upon 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24 and 4 0 0. Y equal to 60 meter. Okay, children? Now, what is y? Y is nothing but the distance BC. Okay, children? Now, let us move to the next part of the board. That is, now, then how will you find out x? See the relationship y equal to 60 and total is 80. So, x equal to, this implies that x equal to 80 minus, what this implies that y equal to 60 and x equal to 80 minus y. X equal to 80, y equal to, children, that is y equal to, yes, y equal to, we have found out 60. So x equal to 80 minus 60, that is 80 minus 80, y equal to 80 minus y. This implies x equal to 80 minus y, it is x equal to 80 minus y is 60 degree. Sorry, 60, not degree, there is meter. This implies that x equal to 20 meter. Let's show this is one answer. Here this was first answer, y equal to 60 meter and x equal to 20 meter. Now we have to find out the height of both the poles. Clear now? Now, children, see what is the relation you see from here. See the relation here, root 3, see where is that relation. Put here, children, AE from 2. Now from 2, children, now from 2, look at here. From 2, what is this? Y upon root 3. Look at here, children. From, that is from equation number 2, y upon root 3, that is y upon root 3 equal to AE. This is equation number 2. What is y? Y is, we have found out AE. So y, what is y? Y is 60. This is 60 upon root 3. Clear, children? This is y is 60. Here y we have found out to be, that is 60 upon root 3. Y is 60. Clear? So AE equal to, that is here from here, AE equal to y upon root 3. So 60 upon root 3 equal to AE. Right, children? So this is AE. This implies that AE equal to 60 upon root 3. Clear? And you can rationalize, that is root 3 upon root 3. Okay, children? That is equal to 60 root 3 upon 3. Right? This is 3 1 ja 3 and this is 3 2 ja 6 3 0 0. This implies that children, AE equal to, see, AE is the height of the pole, AE equal to 20 root 3 meter, and AE is same as what? AE is same as CD, that is AE equal to CD, that is AE equal to CD, that is this answer. Okay children, so what is your what is your answer? How will you write down? Let's see, height of both the poles, A equal to 20 root 3 meter, that is equal to CD only, because both the poles are of equal height, and this AB, that is x equal to 20 meter, this is this answer, and y equal to 60 meter, that is another answer. Okay children, so this was very good question, clear, and this question number 10 is over. Now let us move to the next question. That is, what is the next question? Note it down fast children, you can note it down. Now what is question number 11? This is figure is already given in question number 11. Let us see. Let me remove it from here. This is children. Now question number 11. Let us see. Question number 11. Let us see question number 11. What does it state? Children, figure is already given here. Clear? Here there is a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. Clear? A canal is there. Clear? Canal. All of you, that is in Hindi it is known as Nahar. That is clear. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank. There is a canal. This is a canal. Children, look at here. This is a canal, right? Here C, let it be C. This is B, and there is a TV tower. This is TV tower. Clear? It is something like this. It is drawn in your book. This is TV tower. Clear? This is your TV tower is there like this. Clear? And let it be A. Clear? It says a TV tower stands. What is this? This is canal. Clear? This is a canal. Clear? And a TV tower stands vertically. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal from a point on the other bank. Clear? This is the point on the other bank. Clear? This is on one bank, this TV tower. This is TV tower. Clear children? And from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Okay children, and see the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree from another point 20 meter away from this point, from another point, clear, that is 20 meter away from another point. Let it be D, that is figure is given, that is 20 meter away, 20 meter away from this point, that is this one. Clear children? From another point 20 meter away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Means top of the tower means TV tower only. This is 30 degree. Clear children? This is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Okay, find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Height of the tower we have to find out. Clear? And width of the canal, this also. Let the width of the canal be x. Clear? Width of the canal be x, that we have to find out. Okay children, so what is given? What is given? That is, let nothing is actually, figure is given in the book, so given you don't have to write clear much more. That is here given AB be the TV tower. AB, this is 20 meter, this is 20. Okay, AB be the TV tower, and this BC equal to x meter. BC equal to x meter, be the canal. Also angle ADB, angle ADB, this is tower is means 90 degree, angle AD, this is 90 degree, ADB, angle ADB equal to 30 degree, angle ACB equal to 60 degree. Clear children? What we had this, what else is given? DC equal to, and DC equal to 20 meter. Clear? What we have to find? To find out, we have to find out what AB, height of the TV tower, height of the TV tower equal to AB has to be found out, and what BC equal to canal, that is length of canal, length of the canal equal to BC equal to X, we have to find out. Clear? Let us move to the solution. Now in triangle ABC, now in triangle ABC, clear? What is there? In triangle ABC, angle B equal to, any triangle you can take, either smaller triangle or bigger triangle. Clear? Angle B equal to 90 degree. This implies that here acute angle is 60, tan 60 equal to, tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon base, that is AB upon BC. This implies that tan 60 equal to root 3 equal to AB. AB is AB itself upon BC. BC is, we have assumed to be X. Clear? Let it be equation number, you can write down equation number 1. Right children? Here you can write since tan 60 degree equal to root 3. Clear children? This implies that, now this implies that what now again you can write down, again in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, angle B equal to 90 degree. This implies that tan 30 degree equal to AB upon what? AB upon what? AB upon BD. AB upon BD. Right children? AB upon BD, no problem is there. That is, this implies that tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3 equal to AB is AB only upon BD is what? BD is BC plus DC, that is BD equal to BD equal to BC plus DC equal to, here you can write down since tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3, tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3. This implies that 1 upon root 3 equal to AB upon, what is BC? BC is X plus DC is 20, and this is, clear children? See, this is your what? Equation number 2. Right? Write down children. This implies, see, now let us solve. Don't solve it like this. Clear? This is not equation number 2. Clear? Solve it further. This implies that what? This implies that AB equal to X plus AB equal to X plus 20 upon root 3. AB equal to X plus 20 upon root 3. Okay children? So this is now here. Let it be this equation number 2 now. Clear? Now from 1 and 2, this is equal to AB. Right? AB equal to, what is this? AB equal to X plus 20 upon root 3. Right? Now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, that is What do we found? Clear? What do we find? That is, see children, put the value of AB over here. Clear? This is x plus 20. Write down x plus 20 upon, look at here, x plus 20 upon root 3. X plus 20 upon root 3. Look at here, x plus 20 upon root 3 children. X plus 20 upon root 3 equal to AB equal to root 3x. I am directly writing over here, that is root 3x. From here we have written, we have taken AB equal to, look at here, AB equal to root 3x from 1. And this is 2, means A, in place of AB we have written x root 3, that is clear. This implies that now by cross multiply from 1 and 2, this implies that what, this is x plus 20 equal to 3x, right? This implies that children, this implies that what, 3x minus x equal to 20. 3x minus x equal to 20. This implies that 2x equal to 10. This implies that x equal to 2x equal to what? 2x equal to 20, that is. Clear children? X plus 20 equal to 3x. Clear? Root 3 into root 3. Clear? Then 20 equal to what? 3x minus 2x. Then 20 equal to 2x. Then x equal to 20 upon x equal to 20 upon 2. That is 2 1 ja 2, 2 10 ja 20. This implies that x equal to 10 meter. What is x in the figure? What is x? X is the length of canal. Length of the canal is 10 meter. Clear? Now what else we have to find out? We have to find out the height of the TV tower. So let us see the relationship here. TV tower is what? AB. Now from 1. Now from 1. What is 1? Root 3 equal to AB upon x. This implies that root 3 equal to AB upon, what is x? X is given to be 10. X we are not given it, x we have found out. Clear? This implies that, clear, that is, this implies that what, AB equal to 10 root 3. Am I right? AB equal to 10 root 3 meter. What is AB? So this is another answer. This was the first answer. So you can write thus height of the tower is, height of the tower equal to 10 root 3 meter. Clear? And what? And the length of the canal, height of the tower, that is height of the TV tower, that is height of the TV tower, and length of the canal, length of the canal equal to, children, that is 10 meter. Clear children? This is your answer. Clear children? Write down. So we have seen, children, what question number question number 9, 10 and 11 we have seen, children. These questions are very much important. Clear? This 16 question in this exercise, children. 16 question in the exercise, children, and this I tell you, and the examples, they are very much important, and you have to be very cautious. Clear? You have to be very cautious, and you prepare this with utmost care. I tell you that this is the first and foremost thing. Clear? How you convert your question into figure. Here you read the question, clear, understand its meaning, clear, and draw the figure accordingly. This is very much important. So practice it to do that, clear, then you can solve it according to the appropriate trigonometric ratio. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day.